Moving on, Shiv Sena UBT Chief Uddhav Thackeray strongly opposed the Maharashtra government's recent decision to make Hindi a compulsory third language for students in classes 1st till 5th. While clarifying that his party holds no hostility towards Hindi, Thackeray questioned the need to impose the language in schools, calling it an unnecessary burden on young learners. The new policy introduced by the state's education department mandates that students in Marathi and English medium schools study Hindi alongside Marathi and English, marking a shift from the earlier two-language system. Now, this change is part of the updated state curriculum framework for 2024, which also introduces the new 5+3+4 educational structure. Thackeray expressed concern that the move could undermine regional languages and cultural identity. He also reiterated his party's respect for Hindi, but emphasized that it should not be forced at the cost of Maharashtra's linguistic and cultural priorities.
The Maharashtra government has implemented the National Education Policy 2020, under which the students from 1st standard to 5th standard have to learn Hindi language, as it is going to be the third compulsory mandatory language subject in school, and it is receiving criticism from the regional political parties of Maharashtra, especially Shiv Sena Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray party as well as the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena party. Now, in few days, we have seen that the language war was going on, and how Marathi versus Hindi, Marathi versus Gujarati war was already going on, and amidst that, this decision has come forward, for which Uddhav Thackeray has now been vocal about, and he has opposed this decision. And he has stated that we will not accept Hindi language to be a compulsory language. In fact, recently Shiv Sena UBT party has started Marathi language classes, as there were campaigns about Marathi not being spoken in government offices, or according to following the language war, Shiv Sena has taken this decision, and Uddhav Thackeray says that after learning that the North Indians are also ready to learn Marathi, there are some people who are troubled by this decision, by the classes that we are taking, and looking at the response that North Indians are giving to Marathi language, there are people who are jealous and have now come up with this decision. Now, Uddhav Thackeray has made it clear that they will not let this policy to be implemented in school.